Hi, this is Stuart from Sawmill Studios. Today we're going to build the turtle box. It's got a little space in here for you. Looks like a turtle. Okay, let's get started. First, safety glasses. Make sure you got your eyes protected. Safety glasses, prescription glasses like mine, goggles, something like that. Anything to protect your eye from a possible nail that goes flying. Make sure there's an adult involved in this project. If there's children involved in the project, let them do it, but help out, guide them, make sure that we're not going astray here. Okay, first I'm going to set these feet aside. That's what the feet of the project are here. And the head, I'm going to start with the two pieces that look like that and the bottom. This project is pre-drilled, so there's spots where the nails are going to go that we've already drilled holes in half the pieces, so that it's going to make it a little easier for you. We're going to stack these guys up like this. I'm going to go to my kit that has nails and a piece of sandpaper for later on. I'm going to dump the nails out to make it a little easier for myself. And I am going to nail in the 4 nails that hold this together. This project will require some glue, but you won't need a lot. But that's why we might want a piece of paper towel with us, just in case we have a little spill or want to wipe off our hands. Okay, we've got the bottom. I'm going to put the head on now. The head is pre-drilled too. It's got a hole right there, and we're going to try to nail right down through. But we want to make sure we got some glue on it, because this one nail isn't going to hold this too well by itself. So we're going to put some glue on there. School glue, Elmer's glue, wood glue, whatever you like, they'll all work for this project. Okay, I've got that guy on there, and I'm going to put a nail in to hold it. Get it right in the middle. There it is. Now I'm going to put the sides on. The sides are pre-drilled. When we look at the sides, we want to make sure that we're not so far up that we have a gap at the top. We just want to cover the gap, okay? So move it down to the point where the gap is covered and it's lined up so the nails will go into the piece below, okay? That's what we're going to do it, but let's put a touch of glue here and just a dab in the middle, and then get ready to put that in. Okay, I've covered the spots. We're good. 2 nails. Do the exact same thing on the other side. A little glue here, just a dab in the middle. And put this on again so we don't have any gap in there. We can't see a hole. And it's going to stick out past the bottom about as far as the one below. Then we put our 2 nails in. It goes fast when the holes have already been drilled for the nails. Time for the feet now. These guys are going to get nailed in like this, and we want a little gap, okay, so that we can kind of see a space inside here, okay? We only have room for 1 nail, so we're going to put some glue in there to hold it, because 1 nail alone probably won't do a great job of holding it. So we glue one, we get our nail in, it's going to look like that, okay? So the feet are going to be below the sides a little bit. I'll straighten it up, and that's where it's going to be, and the glue will dry and it'll stay there when the glue is dry. Okay, let's do that again. Little glue, 3 or 4 drops is enough. There's one side. Get them so they sit flat. Looks nice. Let's do the other one. There should be some extra nails in the kit, just in case something happens. And the sandpaper's there for you too. You want to make sure that we can sand the sharp edges here, so you don't get scratched or get a sliver later on, okay? There's the other side. So, we have put together a turtle box, Now, we have some fairly sharp edges here. If I reach in, I could scratch myself off these edges, so I'm going to get my sandpaper out, and I'm going to spend some time making that feel really nice, okay? Well, I hope you enjoy your turtle box project, and it comes out just like this. Have a great day. Bye.